Kaiser played South Torrance in the first round of the CIF playoffs on November 5th, and the Cats relied on their powerful running attack that featured two sophomores, Kyle Tyler and Jonathan Marshall Jr. In the second quarter, this touchdown by Marshall gave Kaiser a 14-7 lead. However, South rallied to go in front 21-14, but then came the key play of the game. On the ensuing kickoff, DeAndre Wembley ran up to grab the football on the 28-yard line and sped down the sideline for a 72-yard touchdown, tying the score at 21-21. Then in the second half, Kaiser took control. Tyler followed great offensive line blocking for a 30-yard touchdown, putting the Cats in front 28-21. Tyler finished with 4 touchdowns on the day, including this 18-yarder in the fourth quarter, and Kaiser ran away with a 49-28 victory.
Kaiser, we're kind of known for winning in the playoffs a little bit, and I told our boys that we had a tradition to uphold, and 20 consecutive years in the playoffs, and more often than not, we've won in the first round like we did tonight, so I'm happy. It was good old-fashioned Fontana football right there, just like the old days when I was growing up in town.
And here are more highlights for the Cats.